Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add already installed game to Steam. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the homepage of the Steam application, and from here you then want to scroll down and navigate at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will be able to see an option called Add a Game. Now in here we have multiple options like add a non-Steam game, activate a product on Steam, or browse the Steam store for games. Now you can just go ahead and choose your preferred option, and from here you then want to simply locate your Steam game. Now another way on adding a already installed Steam onto your application right here is to simply navigate through the installation folder. Now to do that, you just want to head over to settings, click on downloads, and from here you then want to locate the download path of your games. You can also find this inside the library. And if it's not here, then you want to navigate through your own storage. Now from here, as you can see, I have my Steam at my SSD partition, which is the drive D. So we simply want to navigate to that specific drive. From here, you then want to navigate through Steam, click on Steam apps, and then click on common. And from here, you can just go ahead and paste the Steam downloaded application to this specific folder. Now after installing it or copying it or moving it to this directory path, you can just click on your library, click on the install file, and from here you then want to specifically click on that specific folder. And what this will do is it will only verify the game files, and after that you have successfully installed the application without downloading it on the Steam itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.